What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the earnings report that Sundial Growers stock recently announced. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. It's been a while since we talked about Sundial Growers stock here on my channel. And since that time, SNDL stock has been selling off significantly, along with the broader market volatility. But despite the ongoing market volatility, Sundial Growers has been providing investors with some positive news recently, announcing on Wednesday, May 5th, that Sundial Growers plans to acquire Inner Spirit Holdings and Spirit Leaf Retail Network. And then on Tuesday, May 11th, SNDL provided shareholders with the financial results for their first quarter of 2021. So how were the earnings that Sundial Growers just announced? In their earnings report, Sundial Growers announced earnings from operation in the amount of $1.7 million compared to a loss from operations of $32.7 million in the prior quarter. And although SNDL did report a net loss of $134 million, this was the first quarter in Sundial Growers history where they were able to announce a positive adjusted EBITDA. And for the quarter, they did see a decrease in revenue of 30%. In the sum of $11.7 million. But despite this decrease in revenue, SNDL continues to have a strong balance sheet. Most recently, as of May 7th, reporting that they have over $1 billion in cash and cash equivalents as well as long-term investments on their balance sheet without any outstanding debt. But even more exciting than the earnings that SNDL reported is the news of the acquisition that they announced involving Inner Spirit Holdings and Spirit Leaf Retail. In this announcement that SNDL released on May 5th, SNDL management informed shareholders that they have reached an agreement to acquire Inner Spirit Holdings, an acquisition in which Sundial Growers will acquire all of the issued and outstanding shares of Inner Spirit with an estimated transaction value of $131 million. Under the terms of the agreement, Inner Spirit shareholders will receive 30 cents as well as 0.08 of a share of SNDL, resulting in a total purchase price of 39 cents per share. With this acquisition expected to close early in the third quarter of 2021. Through this acquisition, Sundial Growers hopes to utilize Inner Spirit's retail network in order to scale their business model further, growing from Spirit Leaf's retail network, which is the single largest brand retailer across Canada, with 86 stores currently in operation. So as an SNDL shareholder, what are my thoughts about the earnings that SNDL just announced as well as this upcoming acquisition? Overall, I'm quite excited about the news that SNDL has provided shareholders, and I continue to feel that Sundial Growers is a company that has a ton of potential for long-term growth. But with that being said, Sundial Growers continues to be a very small market cap speculative penny stock, currently trading at the time that I'm recording this video with a market capitalization of approximately $1.5 billion. So for this reason alone and the speculation that comes with this investment, SNDL is a company that I cannot let become a large percentage of my overall stock portfolio. While I do have a core position in SNDL that I plan to hold for the long term, I have also been swing trading shares of SNDL whenever I have an opportunity, much like what happened a few months ago during the GameStop short seller squeeze. But just remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and talking about my opinions about that company based on that research. Sundial Growers continues to be a very small market cap, speculative penny stock. So if you're thinking about investing into Sundial Growers stock, make sure you're doing your own research and only investing if you're willing to accept those risks. What are your thoughts about Sundial Growers stock? Are you invested in SNDL? Are you thinking about investing in this company? What do you think about the earnings that they recently announced? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.